The Skokie School was founded under the motto Skokie Serves, and yet we have found in the past few years that we are not as committed to that motto as we once were. Our daily schedule and teaching plans do not always easily incorporate service, especially when we are limited by time, given other constraints and obligations we have throughout the year. Likewise, our current schedule limits our ability to offer the same learning opportunities for all students, as well as provide accessible opportunities for integration. These are shared concerns across the building and relate directly to the limitations of our current schedule model. Given the recognizable limitations of the schedule, we initially put some changes in place to allow for common plan time for teachers and access to our makerspace for 6th graders. This included a 4th lunch period and an open makerspace period during recess. We knew that this was not a permanent or broad enough solution, but one that could be done in a timely manner, anticipating the 2015-2016 school year. Our next intention was to formulate a representative group of staff on a committee with the goal to collaborate and plan around a new schedule model for the school. Our first steps began in September 2015, identifying the priorities for a new schedule, the shortcomings of our current model, and our wish list for a new model. Some of the standout shortcomings included a lack of reach towards students with needs for intervention in math, a lack of access to a tech-related exploratory for all 6th graders, and a limited exposure to service learning for all students. This also led into brainstorming around project-based learning, interest-based learning, and opportunities for reteaching and extension. The themes around our brainstorming naturally align with the themes within the district's Big Five focus, particularly in math and STEAM. Most importantly, the idea to tackle this project was one that naturally came out of a desire from the staff to approach how we utilize a school day to our students' greatest advantage. We sought feedback from our staff and a panel of students to help guide our efforts in coming up with potential scheduling models that could assist in achieving these goals and priorities for our school. Students and staff were uniquely aligned around the same ideas, with a strong emphasis on the value of interest-based learning and commitment to service. At this point, we are preparing for a presentation of 2 possible models that we would like to pilot in early May for 1 week each, following another gathering of feedback before presenting our final decision shortly thereafter. We anticipate the need for summer work to fully prepare for a schedule change, but are excited about and committed to the possibilities that a new schedule model could provide. At this point, our work has led to 2 models that do not compromise that which we are already committed to, but enhance some of the key components of the district's Big Five.